Hey guys, welcome back. What I am about to show you today took me months to figure out, but you are going to learn it in the next 5 minutes. I'm super excited to share this with you because it's been a game changer for me. And I know it can be for you too. You see, I've been in the crypto space for a while now. And I've tried my fair share of airdrops. But none of them have been as successful as the ones I'm about to show you. But before I dive into that, let me just show you some proof that this actually works. I've made over $250 with these airdrops. And I've got the withdrawal screenshots to prove it. You can see right here. This is a real withdrawal from my OKX wallet. And it's all thanks to the airdrops I'm about to share with you. But here is the thing that most people get wrong. They think that airdrops are just a way to get free crypto, but they don't actually work. But that's not true, and I'm about to show you why. So, what are airdrops? Simply put, airdrops are when a cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to its community. It's a way for them to reward their supporters and get the word out about their project. And the best part is, anyone can join in and get free crypto. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's not. I've been doing this for months. And I've made some serious money. So, let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how to join these airdrops. First, you are going to need to download the OKX Wallet. This is the wallet I use to store all my crypto. And it's super easy to use. Once you've downloaded the wallet, you are going to need to create a new account. This will only take a few minutes. And it's completely free. Next, you are going to need to navigate to the Arbitrum network. This is where all the best airdrops are happening. And it's super easy to get started. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's Arbitrum? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. And it's where all the best airdrops are happening. It's super easy to use. And you don't need to have any technical knowledge to get started. Once you are on the Arbitrum network, you can start browsing through all the available airdrops. There are some amazing projects on here. And you can get free tokens just for joining their community. Now, let's talk about some pro tips to maximize your earnings. One thing I've found is that having multiple wallets can really increase your earnings. This is because some airdrops will only allow you to join with one wallet. But if you have multiple wallets, you can join multiple times. Another pro tip is to always do your research before joining an airdrop. You want to make sure that the project is legitimate and that the airdrop is real. There are some scams out there, so you need to be careful. Another thing to avoid is joining airdrops that require you to invest any money. These are scams, and you should never invest in an airdrop. You should only join airdrops that are completely free. Now, I want to show you some real earnings proof. I've withdrawn over $300 from these airdrops. And it's all thanks to the strategy I'm sharing with you today. You can see right here. This is a real bank transfer. And it's all thanks to the airdrops. Alright guys, that is everything. The link to get started is right in the description below. It is completely free, takes about 2 minutes to set up, and you can start claiming tokens today. I check this platform every single day and it has never let me down. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Peace.